Today work was pretty intense, so I thought, why not having a sleepover with my girl Goku? My boyfriend is actually not in town tonight, so I think it would be quite a good idea to order some food, relax, watch a movie, offering some nice food to Goku, some nice food to my tummy, and just enjoy. Goku, did you like my idea? Goku, did you like my idea? So, the first step is to order some food. I generally use Deliveroo, and I think I know what I want. In the meantime, looks like Goku wants to get out of the cage. We'll see if she's gonna fly. Okay, so it looks like I just decided what I would like to eat, and I'm gonna order from Nando's. Nando's is supposedly a Portuguese fast food, but fun fact, my boyfriend is Portuguese, and he basically told me that Nando's doesn't have anything of Portugal. So yeah, it's a bit weird, but we're gonna give obviously Goku some sleepover food, and we're also gonna try to see if she likes my beanie burger that I've ordered. It's nothing dangerous for her, of course. It's all like made of vegetables, and we're gonna wait for our food, and then we're gonna get it started. In the meantime, Goku decided to fly out of the cage, and she made a bit of a mess with the Christmas tree, but apart from that, she's fine. We're gonna recover her and we'll see how it goes. I had to close the dog out of this room because I don't necessarily trust him around the bird. But yeah, Goku is alright. Yes, I think she's alright. She tickles me. Goku? What do you say? That was a nice adventure. Smile. The food is almost here, guys. I can't wait to eat. I'm starving. I'm also very curious to see if Goku wants to eat the beanie burger. We've never tried to offer her anything like this before, but I think it would be an interesting experiment. What do you think? Are you curious to try the beanie burger from Nando's, the fake Portuguese place? Yeah, I thought so. Help! This is literally the dog that was waiting for me to open the door again. You can go now.
Take care.
Yeah, it's me. Thank you.
you.
Ta-da! Food! What do you say, Goku? We choose the movie now? Here comes the difficult part, which is choosing the movie. Well, to honor Goku, I really wanted to watch more of like birdie movie. Can you say like a birdie movie? I don't know, but 99.9% of the movies with animals make me cry. so I don't think it's a good idea after 2 days at work. So I'm just gonna try to understand what to watch tonight with Goku, and then we'll start eating as well. It may sound horrible, but I really want to try and watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which I've never watched in my entire life. Don't kill me. Because I think it's the most stupidest thing I could choose tonight, and I really need something like this to watch. I can't bear to watch any sad movie or anything that needs just a little bit of focusing. I need to relax 100%. Goku is here with me. In a bit I'm gonna try to offer her the beanie burger, and yeah, we'll watch the Kardashian together. We're ready. Goku? Let's see if she's gonna eat it. She's a bit confused. What's that? Do you think you may like this? Doesn't look like she's interested, but I'm gonna leave it here and see if she's gonna eat it later. She's getting more and more relaxed. Goku started to fly and she ended up in this. Well done, Goku. What do you think? You're enjoying the Kardashians? Or maybe you're not, because you just flew in a bucket. Goku actually flew in there and she ate that little piece of beanie burger and she really loved it. Did you like it? Was it nice? Aiuto! Help, Goku! Why are you doing this to me? You are on my leg. He's becoming dramatic like the Kardashians. Okay guys, so we finished 2 episodes of the Kardashians. Goku seems pretty sleepy, so I thought to put it back in her bed, but now she looks a bit more active again. So it's night outside and Goku is ready to sleep. I was thinking to probably sleep as well on the sofa so we can do like a proper sleepover, me and her. And my bedroom is upstairs, but I think it would be nicer if I could sleep tonight with her here. So we generally put these on top of the cage for the night, because if we don't, then she's gonna start screaming like a crazy bird before 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So yeah, the cage needs to be the top of the cage needs to be covered, and yeah, so we're gonna sleep together here in the living room. Right, we had a really nice evening together, me and her. It doesn't happen very often that we spend time together, like with her outside of her bed, with just me and her. Generally it's always the whole family, so like with the dog and with my boyfriend, and I'm carried away with so many other thoughts and so many other things to do, but it was really nice to spend a girls' night, just me and her, and I'll probably do it again. Maybe this time not with the Kardashian, because I don't think she enjoyed it really much. Did you? Good night, Goku. Love you.